In this video, I will show how to draw dark line in MS Word. There are some methods you can write dark line, insert, then shape and select this line. Press and hold Shift key and draw. Shape outline. So in weight, select 3, 4 or 6 point and shape color you can select any color. Another method, here select only bottom border. So you have this straight line. There are some more methods you can select here. This rectangle, select outline, so no outline, and shape fill, so select black color. Now you can adjust the size, drag and drop, and keep anyway, like this. So thanks for watching.